In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in a Wrike post. Tagging the right people in Wrike is one of the simplest ways to keep your projects moving and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do it from inside a campaign task and how to quickly notify your team or everyone following that task. First, open your Wrike workspace and navigate to the project or folder where your work lives. In this example, we're going into a campaign area called Beginner Campaign in Wrike. Open that space so you can see the list of tasks or items in the table or list view. Next, look for the task or item where you want to tag people. Here, we're using a task called Campaign Brief. Go ahead and click on that task to open it. This will bring up the Task Details panel on the side, where you can see the description, comments, attachments, and assignees. Inside the task, scroll to the comments or text area where you want to write your message. Click into that field so you can start typing. This is where you'll write your update, ask a question, or share information that needs someone's attention. As you type your comment, think about who needs to see it. To make sure your core group is notified, look for an option to add or tag a team and select your main team, such as My Team. Clicking this option will include that group so they're aware of the update, which is helpful when several people are collaborating on the same task. Continue typing your message to give enough context so people understand what you're asking or sharing. Clear, specific comments reduce back and forth and help the right person act quickly. Now, if you want the update to go to everyone who's already following this task, look for an option that says something like, "Everyone who follows this task," and click it. This ensures that all followers, not just your immediate team, are notified. It's especially useful for cross-functional work where multiple departments are keeping an eye on the same task. Once your message is written, your tags are set, and you're happy with what you've typed, you're ready to send it. Look for the button that confirms and posts your comment, such as Share and Send, and click it. Wrike will now deliver notifications to the people and groups you selected, so they can jump in and respond. And that's how you tag someone in a Wrike post to keep your team aligned and your work moving forward.